people of this world, and welcome back to another Roblox video. We're playing Ooga Booga. Today is just going to all be about gathering resources for Sponge and Doc. That's what we're doing today. I'll be back once I get to that island. Okay guys, I'm here and I am going to look for iron ore and stuff like that. Be back when I find some. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure one of these are gold, one of these are iron. This one I think is gold. Yep, I was right. I'm going to get this for Sponge because apparently he's really sad about those missing gold tools. I mean, not tools, gold. And he only had like 6 last I remember, so I'm going to get these for him. And I'm just going to start talking about YouTube. Because it's getting near Christmas, I might actually just make merchandise, but it's going to come out on Christmas Day if I end up doing it. I think that would honestly be really cool. And leave a like down below on the video if you want that. Ooh, holy mammoth. Oh, that's some. Oh, come on. This is another gold. Can you comment down below to tell me if I can get gold tools and stuff, if you even have been playing this game enough, which I have no clue. You would have to be farming this game unlike I do, but I have a private server at least. I'm gonna give Sponge some of this. So where could iron ore be? I'm just going to keep running around until I find it. Be back when I find some. Guys, I might have found some stuff over here. Ooh, that looks good. It would be awkward if one of them joins. Is this iron? Tell me it's iron, please. I want iron. If it is, I'm probably just going to wait here and farm it out for the rest of the video. Oh, thank God it's iron. Iron node. Thank you. What can you use with gold? I wonder. Going around this way. Holy mammoth! I'm going to get you guys over there to see how big it is. Guys, it's right there. It's so beautiful and big. And can I mine it? I can mine it. I wonder how much ice is. It's an iceberg. I found an iceberg. What the? Holy frick. Oh my God, man. This is big. This is really big. And all it dropped was that. Oh my God, that's infuriating. Ooh, that's going to be my second best bet to go over there. I'll be back when I get back to shore. Guys, my food is getting low. I'm going to see what I have. What do I have for food? Raw meat. Oh, no, I don't have anything. Fried cactus. Nom nom. Tasted horrible. What's that up there? I'll be back once I get that. Okay guys, I'm there and I'm gonna head over the mountain if I can. Not sure. Iron, no. Yes, it's another piece of iron. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. What the? Oh my God. What is this thing? Oh, that is juicy. If you made a bet, that would be the best spot for a base down there. But this is just for collecting iron, so I can't do that. Sad. Sad. We're trying. Oh no! Is this how it's going to be? How are you supposed? Fine, I guess I won't climb it. That's annoying. I have to go all the way to this part of the mountain. Basically, just walk up like that. That's hard. Ooh, what's on this side? That's probably both gold, and if it is that all gold? Because if it is, it's going to trigger me. This is going to trigger me a lot, isn't it? I think we have a lot of gold after this. Wait, is this gold too? Gold? How about you? Are you gold too? Oh, gold? Seriously? No iron? I'm just gonna break this one. Sponge is gonna be rich after this. I'm probably gonna get his gold already right now. I only battle axe. Wait, how do I get steel? I need to look how I make a battle axe. Steel. Where's the battle axe? Seriously, battle axe. Steel. Okay, guys, I'll just after this video done, I'm just gonna look up how I get steel, and I'll get it off camera for you guys. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Steel that's a battle axe. My weapons are stepping up a notch. I already have the iron bow. Crossbow's level 30. I'm level 20, I think. Oh, I'm actually really excited for that battle axe. I need it. I'm probably going to farm some steel off camera for you guys. And then I'm going to have that battle axe, and I'm going to be better than ever and ever than better. Yeah, that's how it goes. I don't know what's something has came to my life, and I don't quite know what. Can I do is this going to be a slide? Pointy slides. Woo! That was fun. What to do now? I think I might need to start like some type of farm, maybe. Who knows? I need food. I want to know how I make that like egg thing. It might be over here. Nest. I need wood. If I get close to dying, I'll just leave the server so I don't die. I think that's my best bet, just doing that. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay guys, all of this is smelting right up. I'm probably going to have to throw another log on fire. At 120. Please, wait, can you just get bigger? Oh yeah, that's gonna last it. Oh, gold takes forever. Seriously, oh my god. Put this gold in the back because I don't think it's smelting properly. Yeah, it wasn't smelting properly. All of this, I'm just going to let it smelt so I can pick it all up at once. Oh, this is gold forever. Oh, Doc and Sponge are going to be living rich life. Because look at all that gold. That's nice. Really nice, I feel. So let me see. There's really nothing to... Okay, guys. I'm going to end the video here. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!